Hello and very welcome to a new video on boardgamesTV. In this video I show you the most craziest magic cube ever. Let me show you what does it mean. Isn't that a crazy fever dream? Truth or just fiction? Let's find out together!